Aluminium.
Oh, see, I don't understand. What is the reaction between iron and dilute hydrochloric acid?
State and explain the observation for the reaction between iron and dilute hydrochloric acid. So that means they want you to say what you see when you throw iron into hydrochloric acid. Then explain, right? Explain why that whatever you saw happened.
A good question. Why?
So then you have to go to your metals chapter, think about, you put iron to acid, got reaction or not. So you have to go and look at the iron, metal and acid chart, which metals react with acid, which metals don't react with acid. Then you look at it already, then you figure out whether the reaction is fast or slow or no reaction. So then you just write accordingly.
Okay, so iron and dilute hydrochloric.
Heat is given out to the surrounding. Where heat energy don't need through what down here?
Through heat.
Easier if you say it's a reaction where heat energy is released to the surrounding.
Okay.
Don't sound so awkward English wise. So then you have to figure out this. If you cannot remember the reaction, then fun 一下.
Got reaction, right?
Got lah. So what observation you see?
Got the bubble.
Yeah. Then got bubble already. Then whether it's fast or it's slow release. Then whether there's color change.
I don't think got color change. I need to find the thing.
Then, so if there's no color change, then you have to explain why there's no color change. Then if there is bubble, you see, then you have to explain what is that bubble. Then if you see the bubbles come out fast or slow, if it's fast, then you have to explain why it's fast. If it's the bubble come out very slow, then you have to explain why the bubble is so slow.
Okay, there's a lot
of detail.
Yeah.
But if you think about it, right, if you verbally explain it, it's actually not a lot. Just when you write it out, wow, I have to write so much. Writing it out always make it look like got more.
Or react slowly. Oh, then it changes color. React slowly to give hydrogen and green solution of iron 2 chloride. But how should I explain? Is it just because the reactivity is low?
Okay, I show you the sample, then you think about it. Yeah, I lazy type. I just shuffle.
Okay.
So you got one effervescence. First thing you say this lah. So you have to explain why you have effervescence and then okay, why you have effervescence, right, is because hydrogen is produced. Then you say the release of the effervescence, right, or the bubble formation, right, is slow. You say the reaction is slow, right? So through observation, right, is you can see that the release of effervescence is slow, right? Because your iron does not react readily with acid, or you say that the reaction between iron and acid is slow. Then you say that the pale green solution is formed.
Okay.
Then what's the reason? Is because iron 2 chloride, right, is formed, and this nonsense is green in color.
So 3 marks right there.
Yeah, first one is 1 mark, second one is 1 mark, next one is 3 marks. The third mark is here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. So one explanation, got one observation and one explanation. One pair is 1 mark.
But the release of effervescence is slow. It's not because the reactivity is low, but because it doesn't react.
No, it does not react readily, right? Means, okay, readily, that means it's quite at a normal pace, quite fast, that kind of pace, man. So when they say iron does not react readily with acid, that means iron does not react fast with acid.
Okay.
So that's why I say you can always, right, make your life a bit easier. You can say that iron reacts slowly with acid, which is just like I verbally said it.
Yeah.
So if you're uncomfortable with this, right, you just use this. I think this will be good too.